Why is my sway bar making noise? Have you ever been driving your truck or 18-wheeler and heard an unsettling noise coming from the sway bar? It can be quite alarming, but understanding why this happens can help you address the issue effectively. Sway bars, also known as stabilizer bars or anti-roll bars, play a vital role in your vehicle's suspension system. They help maintain stability and reduce body roll during turns, which is especially important for larger vehicles. One common reason for noise is worn-out bushings. These bushings are typically made of rubber and cushion the sway bar where it mounts to the vehicle's frame. Over time, they can deteriorate. When this happens, you might hear a repetitive banging or clunking noise as the sway bar moves against the frame. Another cause could be loose or worn-out links. Sway bar links connect the sway bar to the suspension components. If these links become loose or worn, they can create clunking, knocking, or banging sounds, especially when driving over uneven surfaces. Environmental factors can also contribute to sway bar noise. Corrosion and wear from salt water, extreme temperatures, and road debris can erode the components of the sway bar system. This not only leads to noise but can also reduce the performance of your vehicle. For trucks and 18-wheelers, maintaining the sway bar system is essential. Regular inspections can help catch issues before they escalate. Check the sway bar links and bushings for signs of wear or corrosion. If you notice any damage, replacing worn-out links or bushings is relatively straightforward. This simple maintenance can significantly improve handling and reduce noise. Driving conditions can also affect your sway bar. Off-road driving or towing heavy loads can exacerbate sway bar issues. Being aware of these conditions can help you take proactive steps to maintain the system. If you hear noise coming from your sway bar, it is often a sign of worn-out components. By understanding the common causes and taking action, you can ensure better performance and safety on the road. Regular inspections and timely replacements of worn-out parts are key to maintaining optimal vehicle stability.